What does the F say? What does the S say? What does the S say? What does the W say? Wah, wah, wah. What does the X say? What does the Z say? What does the A say? The A. What does the A say? No, that's the S. The A goes ah. What does the... Oh, what are you doing? What does the L say? Oh. What does the O say? Ah. What does the D say? What does the D say? Duh. Duh. What does the M say? What does the N say? What does the H say? What does the C say? That's the A. Ah. What does the C say? Good job. What does the B say? B. What does B say? B says ba. What does T say? What does the T say, Ethan? Like tapping your toes. What does the T say? Ethan. What does the T say? Good job. What does the R say? What does the U say? Good job. What does the... Mommy can't think. I can't remember all the letters. The A. What does the G say? G. G. Do you know what the J says? You done? You done with your alphabet? Bye. Bye-bye. Okay, I'll see you later.